Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you don't go without subscribing. Like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, we would be looking at GBP USD for this week. Right now, let's take a look at this movement that actually played out on Friday, right? I mean, this was a movement upward, and unfortunately, a lot of people actually lost. But one thing is that I actually did not take this trade. I actually did analysis. I mean, if you are my subscriber, if you were following me, you know I actually did this analysis on GBP USD, actually warning about staying out of this trade, right? I actually warned about it because one, there was kind of like a major news coming out on that Friday, coupled in a lot of major news like the JPY, GBP, USD card. Basically, when this move news will be coming out, the market tends to be very, very volatile, and it is during that time a lot of liquidity tends to play out. Market, a lot of manipulation tends to play out there. The market will be going up, all of a sudden it will drop, then all of a sudden it will go. Basically, a lot of people actually lost because a lot were actually expecting it to actually drop. So, and we also know that the news also that was coming out, we are actually waiting. We don't really know what type of news will be coming out, which I actually said on that analysis on GBP. I was not really sure of the type of news that will be coming out because I know that definitely the news will move the market. Coupled with the fact that since I don't really know the type of news that will be coming out, I would not want to start being like a retail trader because I know it is actually not a good time to actually trade. And we all know that Friday was actually at last day of the week, which is actually still not a good time to trade. So the advice I gave was to actually start with this trade. A lot of people actually took this trade and they actually lost, which is very unfortunate. But this week, right now, there's going to also be a news that will be coming out, which I believe this news will also move the market. Also, there are going to be one of those news. I think it's CPI to be coming out on Tuesday to actually move the market also. But what I can predict right now is I'm going to try and predict the price for Monday, but the rest I will not be able to do that because the news will actually predict. We need to watch the news, see what the type of news is coming and what the news says. It's from there we'll be able to know the direction. But on the technical aspect of this right now, I see GBP JPY GBP USD dropping straight. So I am watching for a drop on GBP USD. So if you can see about 100 pips drops, then I mean it is not bad. Within 95, let's say 95 to 100 pips drop on GBP USD. So this is exactly what to be watching on throughout this week. Then maybe with the news that will be coming out this week, we would know if the direction of such movements will actually trade. So basically, if we actually lost, right? You actually lost, which I'm very, very sorry about. And you will need high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. I'm going to be sharing that trade with you. Definitely, I'm going to share that trade with you. All you just have to do is go check the link in the comment section, sign up to this Patreon channel, right? This is majority of this setup that I major in. I'm going to give you high probability setup, trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is exactly what I'm going to give you. For proof, for further proof, I'm also going to put a link to this playlist so you can watch it and see our win trade, right? You can see all our trade that we actually had. You will see that we had more win. We not only more win, we actually had a very big win. Why our loss was very, very small. Of course, we would have a loss, there's no doubt about that. But the loss was small, so we had a good win that actually made us profitable this week. You also, if you want to check the trade for last week, last 2 week, all you just have to do is go to this channel, right? Check the playlist. You see I've done it week by week. You can watch those trade, take your time frame or your calendar, try and try and predict the day and see the movement. Did it actually move the way I predicted or not? You see that majority of the analysis that I gave on this picture channel actually got our target. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, you can just give it a try. Just give it a try, right? I mean, just a month trial. Yeah, you see that you will get a very good trade from me. Right now, is this trade on GBP USA high probability trade? To me personally, it is not. There are a lot of people that can trade it and make profits from it. There's no doubt about that. I'm not going to argue about that. But personally, I don't see this as an high probability trade. I've seen other good setup, other best setup that I see we are very much likely to win. It is exactly that win trade that I believe we would have is what I'll be sharing on this Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested, you can check the comment section and sign up.